Hi, I'm Delpha, the cute one.
I'm Delarice, the beautiful one.
Anyways, from Miami, Florida, and around Florida, in Miami, we're known as the Barbie Twins.
The reason we should be the ultimate Miami girl
is because two is always better than one.
Of course.
Yeah. My strength is her weakness.
Her weakness is my strength.
So we're the perfect team. We can handle any obstacle, any situation.
We work well under pressure, of course.
We're the perfect team, like Dwayne Wade and LeBron James.
Yeah, but I'm LeBron, she's Wade.
What? No, I thought we talked about this. I'm LeBron.
No. I'm LeBron.
I'm always
you're
LeBron.
Wade. No, but you
always
been
get to
Wade.
You always get to be Batman.
No.
And I'm always Robin, so I'm LeBron and you're Dwayne Wade.
You know what? That sounds about right, because I am Batman. So I'll be LeBron and I'll be Batman.
You know
right.
what? This is Wade County 305. Dwayne Wade does have 2 rings, so that sounds about right.
I didn't think about
I am the oldest. I'm the cutest.
I didn't think about
I'm the
that.
smarter one.
I'll
so
be Wade. I'm Wade. You're right. You were right. I'm Wade.
You know
Since he
what?
has 2 rings.
Actually,
I'm Wade.
This just to settle it. LeBron and Dwayne Wade are equal.
Yes,
they're
they
both
are.
talented. They're both doing their thing. So
great duo. Like
yeah.
we're a great duo.
They're perfect for us.
Yes, perfect.
Because I'm not better than you. You're not better than me.
No, we're equal.
Yeah, that's about right.
So LeBron and Wade, we don't know which one we're gonna be, but those are our guys.
Yeah.
We're the female version.
Yeah, definitely. Because we run Miami.
Yes, Ultimate Miami Twins. When we win this money, because we're gonna win this competition, we plan to use the money to give back to the community and to also jumpstart our foundation for our brother. Yes. Unfortunately, we have a brother that was hit by a car and killed. And we've started a foundation, but it's not quite where we want it to be yet.
Yes.
So
we've been awarding scholarships, music scholarships, and just different things within the education field to children at the Bible college that we started in his honor, and also the foundation. But we really have really big goals and dreams for the foundation. We want to see it to go to another level. And
yes.
if we win this competition with this money,
when we win this money,
you're right. When we win this competition,
we're definitely going to jumpstart our foundation, because we want our brother's legacy to live on, and we want to make sure we touch the lives of young boys and young girls through the foundation.
And I feel like there's no better way. And this competition is about sharing, you know, the good news of Miami and what Miami does besides our beautiful beaches and besides our beautiful women. We want to show the ways that we can give back. And with this foundation, that's our ultimate goal, to give back and to help people, and that our brother's name will live on forever. So we hope you choose us.
Ultimate Miami Twins.
You're right.
Twinning.